Hi, my name is Jill and I've just finished the beginner's watercolour class. I heard about this course by coming to a class up at the hub here, and they had some leaflets out on the table outside in the hall. I've not been to any other street learning courses. This is the first one that I actually had heard about. I chose to come on this course because about 2 years ago I'd done a very short evening class at a college, and then COVID hit and I just didn't do any more. And so I saw the course and I thought I could have another go at it and see if I could do any painting at all. I've learned on the course that watercolour is actually quite a difficult medium to use, but Fran, the instructor, she taught us all how to use different methods. I would recommend this course to other people because it was good fun. You meet other people and you're learning in the same process, so it's very enjoyable.
Hi, my name's Trudy and I've just finished the watercolour class. I went into the local council offices in Heathfield and literally saw a pile of the brochures, picked them up, read it through, saw it was free learning. See what they have on offer. I've had 2 courses now that I've completed. I've enjoyed both of them, both very different and both very useful. This particular one appealed to me. Watercolour has always been my main interest with art. I started courses in between my main job when I'd left school. I then went on another watercolour course when I'd had my baby, and my mother was able to look after her in the first few weeks. And then since there has been a long gap, 35 years in fact, and then I saw this course, right, I will be hopefully inspired again to start watercolour painting. I learned techniques that I hadn't been taught before, and I basically learned to sit still for a few more minutes than I normally would. And I was inspired, so it taught me to just listen, learn and put into action. I would definitely recommend the course to others. Free learning courses are inspirational anyway, and the range of subjects, I'm sure somebody could find something for anybody.